Computer hardware and networking maintenance is a crucial aspect of keeping a computer system functioning efficiently and effectively. It involves maintaining, repairing, and updating the physical components of a computer system, as well as the network infrastructure that connects multiple devices. In today's technology-driven world, having a well-functioning computer system is essential for many businesses, organizations, and individuals. A small issue with a computer or network can quickly escalate into a major problem that can result in lost time, money, and productivity. There are several types of computer hardware and networking maintenance, each with a specific purpose and focus. Preventive maintenance. This type of maintenance is performed regularly to prevent potential problems from arising. Preventive maintenance typically involves cleaning computer hardware, checking for and fixing software errors, and updating software programs. This helps to ensure that computer systems are functioning optimally and helps to prevent potential issues from becoming more significant problems. Corrective maintenance. This type of maintenance is performed when a computer system or component is not functioning properly. It involves repairing hardware components or fixing software errors. For example, if a computer's hard drive fails, corrective maintenance would involve replacing the hard drive or fixing any software errors that may have caused the issue. Upgrades. Upgrades involve adding new hardware components to increase the performance or functionality of a computer system. This could involve installing more RAM, a new graphics card, or adding a larger hard drive. Upgrading hardware components can help improve the overall performance of a computer system and can also help extend its lifespan. Network maintenance. Network maintenance is focused on maintaining and repairing the network infrastructure, which includes switches, routers, and cables. This type of maintenance is crucial for ensuring reliable and secure data transmission. A well-functioning network infrastructure is essential for businesses, organizations, and individuals that rely on data communication for their day-to-day operations. Software maintenance. Software maintenance is focused on updating and patching software programs. This includes updating operating systems, security software, and other programs that run on a computer. Updating software programs helps to address security vulnerabilities and improve the overall performance of a computer system. In conclusion, computer hardware and networking maintenance is essential for ensuring that computer systems are functioning optimally and for preventing potential issues from becoming more significant problems. It involves several types of maintenance, including preventive, corrective, upgrades, network maintenance, and software maintenance. Having a comprehensive maintenance plan in place can help ensure that computer systems are functioning efficiently and effectively, and can also help prevent downtime and lost productivity.